Unit 1 Philanthropist of Sangam Age. Hello children, before going to start the lesson, first let's learn the meaning of the lesson name. Who is philanthropist? A person who seeks to promote the welfare of others. A person who donates money and things for the welfare of others is called philanthropist. Philanthropistனா தமிழில் அவங்கள வள்ளல்கள்னு சொல்லலாம். அடுத்தவங்க கிட்டேருந்து எந்த உதவியும் எதிர்பார்க்காம கஷ்டப்படுறவங்களுக்கு பொண்ணும் பொருளும் கொடுத்து உதவி செய்கிறவங்கள தான் philanthropist அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். பொன் பொருள் மட்டும் இல்லை, அவங்களுக்கு என்ன தேவையோ அதை கொடுத்து உதவி செய்கிறவங்க. தமிழில் philanthropistை வள்ளல்கள்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். What is Sangam Age? A period in the history of ancient Tamil Nadu. பண்டைய காலத்தை தான் சங்கம் ஏஜ்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay. So, in this lesson, we are going to see the stories of philanthropists who lived in the Sangam age. Children, now let us see the book lines. Geeta and her grandpa are on a trip during summer holidays. They are on their way to the hill station of Kodaikanal in Tamil Nadu. This is the first time Geeta is traveling up a steep hill in a bus. Okay children, this are the book lines. Geeta and her grandpa is going for a summer trip. They are enjoying the surroundings. Now Geeta going to ask some stories in this lesson. A steep hill means a very tall hill. Now they are in the hill stations, so they are talking about that. Next, Geeta saying, Grandpa, how did the people come to these hills before buses and cars were made? She started to raise her questions. பஸ்ஸு காரெல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இவ்வளோ உயரமான மலைகளுக்கு மக்கள் எப்படி வந்து போனாங்க அப்படின்னு கேட்குறான். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் கிராண்ட்பா ஆன்சரிங், இட் வாஸ் டிஃபிகல்ட். தட்ஸ் வை த மூவேந்தர்ஸ், சேராஸ், சோழாஸ் அண்ட் பாண்டியாஸ் டிடன்ட் ரூல் தீஸ் ஹில்ஸ். தே ரூல்ட் ஆல் ஆஃப் தமிழ்நாடு எக்ஸப்ட் தீஸ் hills. So his grandpa answering that it was very difficult to come to the hills in the ancient time. So the Moovendars of famous Tamil Nadu, Chera, Cholas and Pandyas didn't rule these areas. It was ruled by someone. Okay. They ruled all of the Tamil Nadu except these hills. The Moovendars ruled all over the Tamil Nadu except these hills. So these hill stations was ruled by the philanthropist. Okay children, we are going to see their stories only. Next, Geeta asking her question. Really, then who ruled this part? She had doubt. Moovendars are not ruling this hill station. Then who ruled these parts? Her grandpa answering, in the Sangam age, many philanthropists ruled the hills. In total, there were around 21 such philanthropists, but 7 of them were very famous. மூவேந்தர்களை தவிர இந்த மலைப்பகுதிகளை எல்லாம் வள்ளல்கள் philanthropist ஆண்டு வந்தாங்க. 21 பேர் இருந்தாங்க. அதில் 7 பேர் மட்டும் ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸாக இருந்தாங்க. அவங்கள தான் தமிழில் கடையேழு வள்ளல்கள்னு ஒரு சிறப்பு பெயரோட அழைச்சாங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் கீதா ஆஸ்கிங் ஹர் கொஸ்டின், why only 7 were famous? who were they? அப்போ 7 பேர் மட்டும்தான் ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸாக இருந்தாங்கன்னா அவங்க யாரெல்லாம் இருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னு அவர் கேட்குறா. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், why only 7 were famous? Who were they? Her grandpa answering, these 7 philanthropists were Pehan, Pari, Nedumudikari, Ai, Adiyaman, Nalli and Valvil Hori. They ruled different hills at different times during the Sangam age. They were all powerful and kind and cared about nature and people. Next, our grandpa saying the philanthropist names in the Sangam age. They were Pehan, Pari, Nedumudikari, Ai, Adiyaman, Nalli and Valvilvori. Okay children, they ruled the different parts. They were very kind about the people and nature. மக்களையும் இயற்கையும் அவங்க ரொம்ப நல்லா பார்த்துக்கினாங்க. Okay, next let us see Geeta's question. Is that why there are more trees in the hills than in Chennai? Next, Geeta asking question. Why there are more trees in the hills when compared to Chennai? Next, our grandpa answering. Hills usually have a lot of trees, but it is equally important for people to take care of them. Next, our grandpa answering. People should take care of the trees. They are very important for the lives. And he continuing. Shall I tell you a story about how these philanthropists and people protected nature and how in turn nature protected them? Next, our grandpa asking, saying about them. அவங்க தாத்தா என்ன சொல்கிறாரு, மக்கள் மக்களை எப்படி பாதுகாக்கிறோமோ அதே மாதிரி மரங்களையும் ரொம்ப பத்திரமா பாதுகாக்கணும்னு சொல்கிறாரு. நெக்ஸ்ட் அவர் என்ன சொல்கிறாரு, இப்போது பழைய காலத்தில் இந்த வள்ளல்களும் மக்களும் இயற்கையை எப்படி பாதுகாத்தாங்க, அதற்கு பதிலாக இயற்கை எப்படி அவங்கள பத்திரமா பாதுகாத்துதுன்ற பற்றிய கதைகளை நான் உனக்கு சொல்லவான்னு கேட்குறாரு. எல்லாருக்குமே கதைகள்னா பிடிக்கும் இல்லையா? எவ்ரி ஒன் லவ் டு ஹியர் த ஸ்டோரிஸ். In the same way, Geeta also very eager to hear the stories. Next, she answering, I would love that. Okay. Before going to know the story, let us try to answer the small question answer area. First question, who were the Moovendars? Children, do you remember the answer? We learnt in first term in detail, isn't it? Yes. Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas. Who were the Moovendars? Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas. Second one, during which age did the 7 famous philanthropists ruled the hills? Now only we learnt, isn't it? It is Sangam age. This is the answer. During which age did the 7 famous philanthropists ruled the hills? Sangam age. Next, grandpa asking, are you ready for the first story? Geeta very eagerly saying, yes. Next, grandpa started to tell the story. Let us see the book lines. Okay, this story is about Behan. Behan ruled a hilly region in the Palani Hills. Which hills? Palani Hills. The very same hill range that we are visiting today. Is it cold here? Next, grandpa saying, first he started to tell the story about Behan. Behan ruled which hills? Palani Hills. Today they are traveling in some hills, isn't it? The same hills only the grandpa and Geeta traveling. Let us see the remaining story. Next, Geeta asking question. Yes, grandpa, that's why Amma has packed sweater for us. Next, Geeta saying that the hills are so cold, so that's why her mother packed, given sweater further. Okay. Next, grandpa asking, correct. One day while Behan was on his walk, he saw a peacock shivering. He assumed that the peacock was shivering due to cold and he took off his shawl and covered the peacock with it. Next, Grandpa started to tell the story about பேகன். பேகன் வந்து ஒரு நாள் நடந்து போயிட்டு இருக்கும்போது ஒரு மயிலை பார்க்குறாரு. அது குளிர்னால நடுங்கிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. உடனே அவர் என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, தன்னோட ரொம்ப யூஸ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்க ஷாலை எடுத்து அந்த மயில் மேலே போத்தி விடுறாரு. நெக்ஸ்ட், கீதா ஆஸ்கிங் கொஸ்டின், கேன் எ பீகாக் யூஸ் அ ஷால்? அப்போ பீகாக்கு ஷாலை யூஸ் பண்ண தெரியுமா அப்படின்ட்டு கீதா கேள்வி கேட்குறான். நெக்ஸ்ட், கிராண்ட்பா ஆன்சரிங், மேபி நாட். த பாயிண்ட் இஸ் தட் பேகன் ட்ரீட்டட் எ வைல்டு பீகாக் just like his own child. How many people today show such kindness towards animals? உடனே தாத்தா என்ன பதில் சொல்கிறாங்க, ஒருவேளை அதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ண தெரியாமல் இருக்கலாம், ஆனால் பேகன் வந்து ஒரு வைல்டு அனிமலையும் ஹியூமன் பீயிங் போல் ட்ரீட் பண்ணாருன்றது தான் அதனோட மீனிங். nowadays peoples are not treating the animals with some kindness. They are treated very cruel. They are treated in a cruel way. Okay, children? Next, Geeta. Grandpa, one day I saw a boy throwing stones at a dog. I stopped him. Maybe if he knew about Pehan, he would find a way to love animals. Geeta thinking that the boy, if he know about Pehan, he may love the animals. He will not torture like this. Next, Grandpa answering, maybe it is not just kindness towards trees and animals. It is also about valuing people. We should treat all living things equally. Not only giving kindness towards them, we should give respect also for all the people and all the living things. We should treat them in a good way. Okay, the grandpa is saying, children, wherever you are seeing animals, we should not torture them. Be kindly with them. Okay, children? Children, next, try to answer. These are the very small questions. Let us try to answer this question one by one. First one, which hilly region did Pehan rule? It's Parani Hills, isn't it? Yes, very good. Which hilly region did Pehan rule? Answer, Parani Hills. Second one, what did Pehan see when he was taking a walk? Shivering peacock. Third one, what did Pehan use to cover the shivering peacock? What did he use? He used a costly shawl, isn't it? Yes. What did Pehan use to cover the shivering peacock? Shawl.